Withdraw or claim your Paws token now from your Paws account. So if you come to your Paws account, from here you are going to proceed to TG download. So when you go to your PG dashboard rather, they are going to click on next. Then you discover that the claim button is activated. So when you click on the claim button, so there are terms and conditions. You read the terms and conditions that you confirmed. Then here you'll be able to actually select here. This is centralized exchange and a fee of 3% withdrawal fee is actually required. So now when you click on, and for those of you who want to use on-chain, that's if you want to withdraw to your Phantom wallet, Solana or any Solana wallet of your choice, this it will be available I think 24 hours before the listing. So now when you click on exchange, you discover that it's only Bybit and Bitget that is available. You get that? So my only advice, if you use Bitget account, there's every possibility that the listing price on Bitget may be lower from experience over and over. Then for Bybit, you can click here. Then if you have an account, then here you are going to copy your Bybit UID, then deposit address. So that is very, very important. So you go to your Bybit account to actually copy the address. So these are Bybit accounts. You can come here at the top corner here to copy your UID. You can see the UID here. So you copy, then you go back and paste. Then now deposit address. So you're going to come here, you type in deposit. You can see you tap on deposit, then deposit crypto. So from deposit crypto, you are going to search for Paws at the top. You can see search option at the top, Paws. Then Solana here. Then here is the deposit address. You just copy. Then you come here and paste it. So now when you are done, then you click on what? Continue. You can see it says you check your data. When you're okay with what you've actually inputted, you can click on what? Confirm. So, but personally, I'm not going to be initiating a withdrawal now. And the reason is simple. I want to wait, probably if I can withdraw to Bitget, to Phantom wallet and see the listing price, the pre-listing price on Phantom wallet, because I'm remembering what happened in NodePay. When NodePay was actually launched, before it was listed on SEX, we were able to withdraw to our various wallets. And what I discovered is that those who actually have their token in their Phantom wallet and actually exchange it before it's been listed on SEX, actually exchange it at the higher price. That is just my own opinion. To do is entirely your own responsibility. And make sure you join my Telegram channel. There are a lot of airdrop you should be farming, non-Telegram airdrop that are actually paying dollars. So link in the description of this video.